Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Memorial Day, May the 4th, 2023, where they solved two puzzles: Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 6383. 6383. Yeah. 6383. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be the easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated for 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Alright, then do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and a 2. Well, let me check. Nope. See, only a triple box here. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, here we have a triple box. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. So this box is 4 or a 5. Same for here. This triple box, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Quadra boxes, where are you? Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. And, that you need to recognize. And here we have the first shape. Figure, structure, or construction. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. Okay, so that box has the same name as this box. Alright, the T shape. Only one T shape. Alright, then the following shape, how about the L shape? It's rotated. The L shape is rotated here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. The L shape. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. Let me draw this here. When you see the S or the Z construction, if you mirror this, you will get the Z. Alright. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So, that box has the same name as this box. The Z or the S construction. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Or this shape. Yeah, let me draw this shape then. Alright. It's the same shape, but it's rotated, this one. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. And here, I see another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Well, I don't think this box is a 3. I will explain later. Alright, then the following shape, the last shape in this puzzle. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, these 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Well, suppose this box should be a 3. Then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 here. Only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 and the 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. But this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. Because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Here, this box can also not be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 3 there. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So not a solution, place the 3 there, and the 3 is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because if I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there, only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Okay, then. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, T-shaped area, should be here. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So this box can be 3 anymore. Okay. Then. Let me think. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Well, alright. Neither one. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need also a 4 here. Yeah. I think these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This can be 2. Yeah. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, here or there. 2, no 2 here. Can it be 1? Can it be 3? So 4 or 5 here. Yeah. Let me think. Come on. 1, 2, 104 here. 1, 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. So this box should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers are left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes, and there, 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a, we have a 2 now here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. So the 1 and the 3 are left here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 it goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 is supposed to be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution. Place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this Z or S constructions for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 4, this box can be a 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes together as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here, yeah. Need a 3 here. Well, Let me think. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. We have a, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 is supposed to be there, and need a 4 here. Yeah, this box can be a this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 4 and a 5. Need to wait. These Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not supposed to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Right, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Here, 3 and 5. Okay, let me mark those. 3 and 5. Here we have 4 and 5. Let me think. 2, 3, and a 5. 2, 3, 5. Well, 5, 5. Let me think. 4 and a 5. Okay, I think this box should be 2 because can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I marked those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This can also not be a 2. Okay. So this box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Okay. And here also 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, Friday. Liberation Day, yeah. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.